Do you need to create lifelike surrounding buildings in your project, but you don't want to model them? Just make a photo of the buildings and you can insert the photos onto the building messes in your project. Adjust the corner points to the building's corners on the correct side and click OK. Make sure to be as precise as possible to get the best result. As a result, the selected area of the photo is stretched on the side of the building mess. Repeat these steps on the other sides of the building to create the illusion of a real building. Set the corner points of the shorter side and make sure to find the same points as before to make the corner seamless. When the correct corner points are set, click OK to finalize this side of the building mess. With the two sides next to each other, the building looks like it is an imported model. Import another picture and place it on the other building mess. This time the office building in the picture has indents and extrusions from the main body. In this case, not only the corner points, but their connecting lines are helpful as well. Place the corner points that you can identify easily, and then set the other corners with the help of the edge lines. If done well, the building mess and the picture's building edges will be aligned perfectly. Repeat the same steps on the shorter side of the building. Now we have a harder time to find the edge of the building, but don't worry, we can modify the stretch picture if we didn't get it right on the first try. Move the corner points to the corners on the picture and try to find the best possible places. I'm not sure about the right side of the building, so I place the markers close to the building's corners. I will adjust it when the picture is stretched on the building mess and I can see the corners and edges better. As you can see, I need to modify two corners, so I move them to the correct place. In the stretched picture, it is easier to find the correct corner points, so I modify them to make the facade look perfect. The result looks like a real building, but making it was a fraction of the time compared to the modeling the whole building. Now, if you move around in the 3D model, you can see real buildings instead of gray messes. This adds details to your documentation and renderings.